I told you it's cold. Alright, Maybury ride. Fall ride. Maybury fall ride. Are you not wearing anything underneath? Huh? Maybury ride. Let's go. And it's windy as hell. Oh, I'll put my hoodie on. Are you cold? Yep. I know. You don't want to be in the 360 shots? Nice. Okay, go ahead. Good job. Look at you go, bro. Come on. Come, let's do a photo shoot, bro, with that bike. We're gonna go downhill and do a hill climb. Watch out, it gets steeper. Don't crash. It gets steeper after this, so be careful. I don't want you to crash. Woohoo! Huh? What happened? You know, you want to know where this goes?
Hey, go.
Oh, going up is the climb. Yeah, not. Yeah. But do you recognize what this place is? Where we are? The other side of Maybury. Let's go. Yeah, you can do that. Did you go over the water? Huh? Alright, so what are we doing? Do you recognize where we are? Wanna go back? No bikes over there.
Can I go over the water?
Yeah.
Allah, yeah. Fuck no, I'm good.
Oh shit.
I'm good. My shirt is nice.
It's okay. Just wash it. It's just mud. Ready? Wanna go over the water again? Huh?
No.
Go slowly. Then it's not gonna splash. But I'm gonna go fast. Cause why not? I got it on my face. I got it all over me. I know.
You got it all.
It's pretty. It's pretty, yeah. Huh? I know. People are riding a mountain bike. Look at that. Let's go. Let's do this climb. Come on. Put it on low gear. The lowest gear. You good? You good? Alright, which way next? Wanna go back? Or do you wanna do this climb?
Nope.
Remember that climb?
It just sucks now.
Huh? Let's do it.
Okay.
The colors would be nice though. Why? Well, she doesn't know how to ride a bike. Can you guys teach her how to ride a bike? I'm just kidding, she knows. Obviously. You can see the proof. We rode for 3 miles. Only.
Not bad though.
Only. I want to ride 30 miles.
We're by the swings.
Huh?
We're by the swings.
Are we? I don't know. Hmm?
They come to here?
Yeah, we did.
You did?
And then we turned right to the next intersection. Do you have any closing remarks for the ladies and gentlemen watching this awesome 360 video at home? Say something for the ladies and gentlemen.
Enjoy your fall.
Enjoy a fall? You saying that while you're passing me? You know, I can just kick your bike.
And I'm going downhill.
Yeah.
No break.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching another cycling video of this crazy year.
You don't have like a
2024.
signature closing line?
I don't. I need to invent one. Can you guys give me some ideas? Please.
Hey yo, peace!
That's what Sunny says.
No? Hey yo, peace!
Oh, I can say it. Hey yo, peace. Salam alaikum.
This is the time.